Here's the carver.
Everyone's over.
We can back it down.
We untied first.
Yeah, I know, I know.
Yeah, no, I know. All right, hold on.
Thank Churchill in front of everybody. This has been a great journey for us at Westside. Kind of started off with just kind of a dream a couple of teachers had when they heard about what Churchill does, and we were able to pull him off of the Missouri River after a long journey on a canoe that he had dug out himself, and it's been an awesome journey for us at Westside. I don't know, guys, raise your hand who actually has had a part in carving in this canoe. Raise your hand if you've had a part in that. All right. How cool is that? That is awesome. Very cool. So I know from the staff and students at Westside, and I know from myself personally, this has been a great experience. We want to thank you, Churchill. We have a small token of appreciation that we want to give you. We know that you've taken time out of your life and from your family to be with us. We know
Keep going. She'll never float.
Hello.
Where are we going?
Oh, we're in that swim area. Yes, I saw that in the paper this morning. Yeah.
Hey, Wolf.
Right.
Good time.
Right.
Hey, Wolf. Get off.
Yeah, really.
Float on the river.
Hey.
That's all like Judgy has.
They're running. They're running.
oh, should have been a turtle.
They're running.
We got pulled
Also,
over.
was good in. What Christopher Columbus?
Just recording. Here I go. Actually, all right.
Well, Churchill, that was an experience I appreciate so much. I wanted to get in there. Yeah?
There we going? No. No. Who's going? You sit right on the bottom and probably be, if it's not too uncomfortable. Paddles like that. It's not a spoon.
Okay.
So people, yeah, that's the way you use it. You don't. It should be. Most of one is one cushion on the other.
Okay. And if anything, scoot your butt to the right just a hair. There you go. You'll
Oh, boy.
Lauren, get the action shot. Let's see, get the action shot with this
Yeah, but look at this too.
There you go.
Thank
Now,
you.
before we go out, scoot your butt.
Gotta keep her balanced.
Yeah.
They're like very.
So you're going to find some tips a little to the left.
You're on your own.
Okay.
He wants where his camera is, not your camera.
Wow, this
I mean,
is
yeah, I
like
mean, I got it. That's like, I'll get the picture.
I got the picture. If not, I got your camera.
Because you're taking a picture, I'm going to have it on film, just so you know.
Our paddles in the water. He's GoProing his can. He don't care about that. That thing's waterproof.
Is the rig open?